it's Jessy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be styling a coffee bar and I'll be showing you the steps I take to achieve that. I love coffee, so I wanted to give my coffee machine like a designated spot in my home. And I also wanted it to be functional and I wanted it to look nice for when I have people over. So I'll be going step by step on how I created mine. Hopefully this inspires you to create your own coffee station with your own style and your own colors and decors according to your taste. So the first thing you want to do is you want to locate a spot in your home that you want to designate for your coffee machine. And I chose this area right here. So what I'm gonna do first is just place the coffee machine where I think it's gonna work the best. So like for this machine, the Keurig, this lifts up. So you just wanna make sure you have enough room where your cabinets are so that it will work for you. Because if it's gonna be hitting the top of this, you might wanna think of something else. Another idea is you can use a drawer, like a bedroom drawer or a bedroom drawer, and make that as your coffee station. That way you don't have cabinets up on top, but luckily this works for me. Okay, so I decided to just have it to the side of that outlet there in case I need to plug anything else in, I have access to that. So that's where that's gonna go. Next, I will be placing the sugar and cream containers. So I actually purchased this stand or tray at Homegoods. It's actually for like perfumes and stuff like that, but this really goes with my kitchen style. I kind of have like a white glam theme going on. So when I saw this, I thought it would be perfect for it to hold the containers, and you'll see right now how it looks. So I'll just place that right there. Actually, before I place the containers, I actually want to set this mat or the machine on top of this mat. I got this at Ross and it came with 3 other ones, so it was 4 of them for I believe $8. And it's just, again, something nice. It makes the silver pop out, so we'll put that there. Okay, so I have the mat on there now, and this also works for in case you drop some water while you're filling up the tank. It helps protect the granite. It also helps in case the coffee mug is too hot and you just want to set it down on here. So there's that, and it also looks nice and it kind of matches everything else that's going on. Okay, these are my cream and sugar containers. They are actually, or they used to actually just be white. I super glued these handles on here, and I also added that bling wrap. The bling wrap I purchased at, I believe, Hobby Lobby during Christmas time, but I think they have that year round. And then these knobs are from Homegoods. I think it's like a pack of 6. So again, that added like that glam look that I have going on here. So we'll just put those on the tray. And the tray does have a mirror, so it reflects the bling. Okay, that's what it's looking like so far. Okay, next is the coffee, and I use K-cups, and I don't really use any of the regular coffee that you put into that little K-cup that comes with the machine. So I looked everywhere for like a nice container, something that would be functionable every day, but everything I found had a lid, or it didn't hold a lot of the K-cups because of their size and just how not regular they are for like a base. And then I don't like the carousel kind or the kind that goes underneath, because then that'll make it too high for the shelf. So what I did is I found on Amazon this container here, and you just store all your K-cups in here. And it fits in your cabinet, so you don't need to have a base or like, you know, that carousel thing down here displaying the K-cups. And it's really functional because I open this cabinet every day to get the coffee mug, so I might as well have this here ready to go with my coffee. And there's this little K-cup I was telling you guys about. I don't use that ever unless I run out of coffee, but that never happens. Okay, so now I'm gonna just be adding some decor to fill the spaces on either side, and I kind of want to give it balance, so I will be using pedestals. So I'll be putting this one here, and I'll be putting a sign on there. So this is a picture frame, and I printed out this quote that says life begins after coffee. That's really true for me, so we'll just have that there to remind us that coffee is life. So that's what it's looking like so far. And for this other side, I have another pedestal. It's a little bit taller than the other one, so we'll place that there. And we'll be adding this pineapple succulent plant. It's artificial. I just feel like you always need a plant by the sink. That's like one of my things whenever I go to people's houses. If they don't have a plant by their sink, I always say, oh, I know what I'm gonna get them for their birthday. And you always want to have candles, so I have a candle going on right now. But I will also be placing this one here. And isn't this really cool, like this little stand? It looks like a little wave or something. And then the candle sits on there. And I love these candles because it's just a glass container. There's like no stickers. Well, there's a sticker down there, but there's no like name or anything on there. I don't like candles that have a big sticker with like the scent or the name of the company. Once you remove the lid, then it's just a nice white candle. And last, I have this little dish here. My mom always told me to remove your jewelry when you do dishes, so this baby goes in here when I'm doing dishes. So there's the sink right there. So guys, I think that's pretty much it. That is what my coffee station looks like. I would like to know what you guys think of it. Let me know in the comments if you have a coffee station at home. I would love to see your pictures and hear your feedback. Please give this video a thumbs up if it inspired you to create a coffee station. I will be linking, or not linking, but putting on the description most of the things that I have on here. The candles, you can actually order those through me, along with some of the decor, like that stand there, the picture frame, and even the little dish for the rings. You can order that with me. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it if you feel somebody needs to see this.